Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Command line arguments allow you to pass information to a Python script when it is executed. Python provides the argparse library to make it easy to handle command line arguments in a structured and user-friendly way. First, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. Most systems come with Python pre-installed, but you can download it from python.org if needed. Let's create a simple Python script that uses command line arguments. Create a file named example.py with the following code. Now, open a terminal and navigate to the directory containing example.py. You can run the script with the following commands. This command will print the input file path. To specify an output file, you can use the output option. This command will print both the input and output file paths. Argparse supports various types of arguments, such as strings, integers, and booleans. Here's an example of handling different types. In this example, type specifies the expected data type, and default provides a default value if the argument is not provided. Argparse is a powerful library for handling command line arguments in Python. It allows you to create scripts that are more flexible and user-friendly, providing a better experience for both developers and users. Experiment with the examples provided to understand how to use argparse effectively in your own projects. ChatGPT